Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is about IDFC First Bank, which is one of the top 5 banks in India, right? And a DevOps engineer position is open for the IT student. So this is basically IDFC First Bank, and little about the company. It is one of the private sector bank located based out of Mumbai, and it's India's one of the top 5 banks, right, in private sector. So this bank was founded in 2015 as a subsidiary of IDFC Limited, and later after merger, it is now IDFC First Bank. So talking about the revenue, it's a 36,257 crores revenue is there, and its operating income is 6,200. It's very profitable company. Now talking about the total number of employees, so total 41,200 employees were there approximately. So this is basically good opportunity for all the students who want to get job in the banking sector through IT, and so they are basically hiring for DevOps engineer. So that is what I'm going to cover in this particular video, and this is all taken from their job site. The position of DevOps engineer is based out of Hyderabad. The job code is P177469, which I'm covering here, right? So let's see what is the job description for this. So they are basically looking for highly skilled and experienced DevOps engineer with focus on AWS, which is Amazon Web Services, AWS Cloud Services, and the ideal candidate will be proficient in automated provisioning, cloud management, process expertise in tools such as Terraform and Packers. So you will be called DevOps engineer, and you will play a crucial role in designing, implementing, and maintaining the cloud infrastructure. So if you talk about, so as you understand clearly, AWS cloud management is the main role of this job, and design and deploying manage AWS cloud and monitor and ensure security of the cloud-based systems. I have already mentioned you have to use tools like Terraform and Packers to automate the complete provisioning of cloud resources. Infrastructure as a code, you have to be a champion for IAC principles. Collaboration and communication is also one of the important parts, where you have to work with other cross-functional teams within IDFC First Bank. Then as a DevOps principle, you have to be strong in implementing CI/CD, which is continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines, right, which automates the software delivery process in the cloud environment. You will have to additionally do performance monitoring and optimization of the cloud systems. So by the name itself, it is clear that the proven mandatory skill is that you should have a proven experience in DevOps and AWS, which is Amazon Web Services. You have to develop infrastructure as a tools with using Terraform tools, CI/CD pipelines. You should have knowledge of scripting skills like Python or Bash for automation tasks. And then talking about the secondary skills, AWS certification, if you are having any, like AWS DevOps engineer certification or AWS solution architect certification, then it is a positive, and that skill will be appreciated here. Experience with any containerization and orchestration tools like Docker, Kubernetes, then that will also be good as secondary skills for your selection. And third is the familiarity with any of the monitoring tools like CloudWatch, ELK, Stack, etc. So from the qualification perspective, they are asking for BTech in computer science, that is bachelor's degree in computer science, or BE, bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, only those two branches, right? So any CSC and CSC related students can apply for this, but ECE related students will not be able to apply for this, or they may not be considered for this post, right? So now let me talk about the application process for this DevOps engineer P181585 post. So here is the direct link for this position, careers.idfcfirstbank.com/job, and the job code P181585/DevOps engineer. So you can get the link in the description box also. Directly you can click from there, and it will ask you to create a login and add all the mandatory information related with your profile, and also attach a resume. So that's all I have to update. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe channel to get similar important updates.